Are you ready to embark on a fulfilling journey of learning the Quran online? Look no further than MJ Online Quran Academy. We offer a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help beginners like you navigate the world of online Quran classes with ease. Once you've chosen your course, registering and scheduling classes is a breeze. Our user-friendly platform allows you to conveniently sign up and select flexible class timings that fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. Upon scheduling your course, you'll be paired with a dedicated tutor who will guide you through your Quranic studies. Our experienced tutors are committed to helping beginners master the material easily. With interactive courses and personalized attention, you'll begin your online Quran education journey. Our teaching tools, including audio and video materials, will enhance your learning experience. We believe in monitoring your progress to ensure a productive learning experience. Regular assessments and evaluations, along with valuable feedback from our tutors, will help you strengthen your skills and progress further in your Quranic journey. Unlock the secrets of Tajweed with MJ Online Quran Academy's online Quran classes. Contact us via WhatsApp at +9234 7334 3237 to start your enriching Quranic journey today.